How to enable or disable limit apps and home screen for power saving on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on device care. Now in here, tap on battery. Then tap on power saving. Tap on the left hand side panel. Now scroll down and tap on limit apps in home screen. Tap on the toggle button to turn this on or switch it off. Now this settings only applied when you are turning on power saving. Here's allow only selected apps, limit all background activity, turn off edge panels, and turn on dark mode. And that's it. This is for the maximum power saving mode. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.